It's winter, it's cold. Let's make some soup.
We're going to roast our butternut and carrots in an oven at 425 using Grasa's sizzle oil, and then we're going to saute onions and garlic in a pan. We're going to combine that together along with stock, herbs, puree that, and you're ready to go.
Chives, and lastly, some drizzle Grasa extra virgin olive oil. Look at that.
This zucchini soup, you're going to cut your vegetables and then sweat onions and garlic together, add your zucchini, stock, water, simmer for 10 minutes, and then blend it together. Lastly, add some vinegar and salt.
We got zucchini soup, some toasted spiced pepitas, and to finish it off, some Grasa olive oil. Look at that.
Lastly, for the tomato soup, prepare your tomatoes, cook your carrots and onions in Grasa olive oil for 15 minutes, add sriracha, tomatoes, stock, and simmer for 1 hour. Blend, add coconut cream, salt, pepper, and you're ready to go.
Dear Lord, have mercy. Some basil leaves, and of course, to finish off, drizzle Grasa. Dear Lord. Make sure you check out Grasa olive oil and give me a follow to continue to learn how to cook.